again here at Waters Garden Center, and barberries are famous in the summer. There are two varieties here. I wanted to show you the difference. This is orange rocket. So the new growth comes out orange like this, has a slight variegation to it, drought hardy, tough as nails, lots of sunshine. This plant loves growing in the backyard, orange rocket. But then you compare that, come over here, I've got, this is orange or lava nugget. Look how bright the colors are. My goodness. Green foliage underneath, orange up top, has a different color to it. So orange rocket here gets a little bit taller than the lava nugget, but the lava nugget has this great orange color to it. Both are fantastic for landscapes out in the full sun. They need at least 6 hours of sun or more, and they will thrive in your backyard.
Click on the link below for more information. Of course, the plants are available here at Waters Garden Center, but the idea of every day at 11:30, Monday through Friday, lunchtime special is to give you something inspiring, something natural to look at, something that'll help you be a better gardener or just fun to relax with, and available at Waters Garden Center.